Some of the biggest monkeys in the world are baboons. Baboons come in 6 different species: the chacma baboon, the kinda baboon, the olive baboon, the yellow baboon, and the hamadryas baboon. The hamadryas baboon is also a resident of a portion of the Arabian Peninsula. Each species is indigenous to one of 6 regions of Africa. There have been baboons for at least 2 million years, and they are among the largest non-hominoid primates. The size and weight of baboons varies with species. The kinda baboon is the smallest and weighs only 14 kilograms or 31 pounds, while the chacma baboon may reach lengths of up to 120 centimeters or 47 inches and weighs 40 kilograms or 88 pounds. All baboons have long, canine-like muzzles, robust, heavy jaws with sharp teeth, close-set eyes, thick fur other than on their muzzles, short tails, and ischial callosities, which are nerveless, hairless pads of skin on their protruding buttocks that provide comfort while sitting. Large white manes are present on male hamadryas baboons. Baboons differ in size, color, and the development of their canine teeth based on their gender. Although they are terrestrial and active during the day, baboons spend the night far from predators in trees, on tall cliffs, or on rocks. All over Africa, they can be found in wide savannas and woodlands. Because they are omnivores, they frequently eat grasses, seeds, roots, leaves, bark, different fruits, insects, fish, shellfish, rodents, birds, vervet monkeys, and tiny antelopes. Leopards, lions, hyenas, and Nile crocodiles are their main predators. The majority of baboons reside in harem-filled hierarchical groups. Baboons may infer the relationships of dominance between individuals from vocal interactions. In general, any male is free to mate with any female. The males are mated in a certain sequence according to their social standing. After a 6-month gestation, females typically give birth to one child. Although numerous females may split the responsibilities for all of their kids, females often serve as the primary caregivers for the young. After roughly a year, the young are weaned. They mature sexually between the ages of 5 and 8. While the majority of girls remain in the same group throughout their lives, males typically leave their birth group before reaching sexual maturity. Baboons can live up to 45 years in captivity, compared to an average lifespan of 20 to 30 years in the wild. Baboons live in organized groups called troops. Typically, group sizes range from 5 to 250, depending on the species, the region, and the season. Baboons may infer the relationships of dominance between individuals from vocal interactions. Baboons are more interested in an argument between members of the same family, or when a higher-ranking baboon takes the offensive when it involves other families, or when one of the lower-ranking baboons. This is due to the fact that conflicts within a family or a baboon consolidating its dominance tend to have a less influence on the entire troop than conflicts between different families or ranked challenges. Baboons are an issue for the farmers in Africa. Baboons frequently target crops because they are opportunistic eaters. They have turned into a destructive pest for many African farmers. Baboons are omnivores, meaning that both meat and plants constitute part of their diet. They eat grasses, bark, seeds, and fruit as their main sources of food. They do, however, like the occasional meaty snack. Baboons frequently eat birds, rodents, and even young lambs and antelope. Baboons are clever monkeys that enjoy a challenge, like breaking free from their confinement. Paris has a zoological park that is situated outside of the city. The zoo had to be evacuated after 52 baboons broke out. To help control the scene, zookeepers utilized pop-up fences and tranquilizer guns. However, it's still a great mystery how they managed to escape in the first place. Baboons rely on one another for warmth when the weather becomes cool. It's one of the most adorable and amazing baboon facts. There are numerous gelada baboon groups up in the Ethiopian mountains. The sole known habitat for this species of baboon is there. Extreme weather can be found in these Ethiopian mountains. Thankfully, the baboons can endure the bitter cold by snuggling up to one another. That was all for now. If you want more videos like this, please like, subscribe, and leave us a comment for more topics.